it's Jenny from Origami Tree, and today we'll be learning how to make a heart bird bookmark which I designed. So growing up, I had a pet parakeet. I loved him to pieces. I used to play with him after school and train him to do all sorts of little tricks. So I thought I would combine the love aspect of it, hence the heart, and then also the bird. And then since you guys love origami bookmarks so much, I decided to make it into a bookmark. But before we jump into the video, if you are new to my channel, be sure you hit that subscribe button. Also turn on those notification bells to be alerted of new crafty fun videos when they come out. I post new videos every single week. Would love for you to join this crafty family. And without further ado, let's jump right in. To make the heart bird, you're going to need a square sheet of paper. This is a 6-inch square, which is approximately 15 centimeters. First, you want to fold it in half so that the white side is facing the outside and the blue color is facing the inside. And we're just going to form a triangle. Crease that in. Now let's rotate it so that the long side is facing up and the opening is facing down towards you. And then we're going to take this top flap over here and you want to fold it straight up, and you want to make sure that it protrudes about 1 centimeter above this horizontal line here. So we're going to have that and flatten that. And next you want to align this top side with this side over here. So let's fold it straight down. And you can see the heart shape starting to form already. So now let's flip it around. And now we're going to bring this right flap over here and we're going to bring it diagonally like this. And we're going to align this far right side to this tip. So let's put that straight down and crease it in. Unfold and do the same thing on the left side. So try to make it as even as possible. If it's not, it's fine. So you're going to take this left side, angle it so that it is touching this tip over here. Right about there. Crease it in. And now let's flip it around. And then we're going to bring this flap behind the bird and we're going to angle it so that it forms the wing. So you can bring it up or you can bring it down. I'm going to bring it right about over here. Crease that in. And here's how it looks like from the back. So we just did a little zigzag kind of thing. Now let's do the exact same thing over here. We're going to refold this crease. And then we're going to fold it right back over. Again, you can flip it around if it helps for you to gauge where you want the wing. But I'm going to do it right about here. Flip it around. Add 2 little beady eyes. A little message. And you are done. I hope you enjoyed the origami heart bookmark. If you are a bird lover, leave a comment below and let me know. If you'd like to see more videos like this, hit that subscribe button and also turn on those notifications to be alerted of new crafty fun videos when they come out. And I'll see you next time. Bye!